Have you ever wondered where the absolute best ocean view in San Clemente is? Because if you live in San Clemente or you've ever visited San Clemente, then there's a good chance you might have gone up Avenida Salvador and got out to check out the view right here. This is the lookout spot that so many of us know. And if you've ever been here, you might have looked around at some of the houses and seen the property that I just listed, because I think it has the absolute best ocean view in San Clemente. And today you're gonna get a tour. Let's go check it out. Welcome inside 786 Avenida Salvador at top of the world in San Clemente. This home was originally built in 1985. And as we go through this, you're gonna see some stuff that's kind of funny because they did things so much different in 1985 than they do now. You're gonna see lower ceiling soffits. You're gonna see some architectural features that you just don't find anymore. But what's so great about this property is it's a blank canvas for somebody to come in and do what they've always wanted with the best ocean view. Now, one of the things, for example, is check out this hallway. Everybody who comes through this house is like, what were they thinking? 7-foot ceilings and almost 100 feet of hallway. But it was 1985. And I've walked some really amazing builders through this house, and they've told me the things that they did here in 1985 were what celebrities would have done then. So it was very well built for the time. And you're probably wondering, Ryan, you said it has a great ocean view. Let's go check that out. Right here from the pool is one of the best spots to take in the view. Follow me. All right, so here we are at the pool. Can you imagine having this size of pool with that insane ocean view in the background with Catalina, Dana Point views? And this house even has snow-capped mountain views. And this is an amazing spot to take it all in. Now, there's two things you need to know about this house that are extremely unique and rare. One of them is this massive pool. This pool's 9 feet deep. It's super large and it has a massive spa. And the reason why that's special is because it would be extremely difficult to get a pool like this permitted present day. And then on the back of the lot is a casita that's on caissons. It's built on the end of the lot with probably the best positioning for the view of this particular property. And that's super versatile because you can host friends and guests, and you could even use it as a mother-in-law quarter. And it's something that you would very likely not be able to do again if you were to build this house over. So let's go check it out. All right, here we are in the backyard of this property. One of the things that's so important with an ocean view house is people want backyard space. They actually want something that's on solid ground versus just decks, and this house has it. And then you go down the stairs and there's the perfect 1-bedroom casita. And when you get down there and you look and you open those double French doors and you stand on that casita deck, it's like the feeling of being on the bow of a ship. The view is a little bit lower and it just spills off like an infinity pool of view. And it's one of the things that just cannot be replicated. You would rarely, if ever, be able to build something like that anymore in 2026 in San Clemente. And this property already has it. It's grandfathered in, and it's one of the reasons why I think this is the most special ocean view house that exists in all of San Clemente. So what better place to end this tour than from the master bedroom, which also has one of the best views in all the property. But I don't know where else you can find this. 4,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms. This house, albeit 1985 original condition, is begging for somebody to come here and make this place the absolute drop dead gorgeous best ocean view home in all of San Clemente. If that's you, reach out to me for a tour. This home is still available. If you're seeing this, you've got to come check out this place. Give me a call. I hope to see you here. Take care.